Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Nikkei futures for Tuesday, October 24th. For the record, today is Monday, October 23. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the Nikkei is that we are doing here quite a complicated correction as a wave 4. So I believe a WXYXZ structure is playing out here. So a triple tree correction. And so now the question is, we arrived here in this reversal area. What will we do from here? Because basically we already reached the wave X area. As you can see, this here is actually the wave X area. So it is enough. Like in terms of this wave X, we did enough. We have 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3. We are in wave X area. So from here, we can actually start our wave Z. So the wave Z can be ongoing right now. And if it is ongoing, like if the wave Z is unfolding in 3 waves, so another WXY structure, then this here could be or ABC. So wave W, X, Y down. So that would be the scenario in red. So maybe I will immediately also put it here in red, WXY down. And that means that we take out this low here in the in the near future, let's say in the next hours, next days. So WXY, if the wave X is in right here. However, main expectation would be that we do something like this: wave W up, wave X down, and now first back into the area here to finish a wave Y, and then go down again to have a wave Z. That would also be a possibility, and it's actually quite hard to say from here because we are moving corrective, we are moving in tree, so therefore we have to like base or judgment or we have to take the other indices into account. And if I have to take the other indices into account, I would favor first a bit more upside here as a wave Y before we go down again as a wave Z. But if we look solely at the Nikkei, then we had enough here as a wave X as indicated in red, and we can just go down from here. If we look here at the 1 hour time frame, then what also could happen here as a wave, as a wave Z, if we look at this, what could happen here is that the wave Z is unfolding as an ABC, and then we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, wave A, B up, and C down as a wave to finish the wave Z. Now, we can also move in 3 actually, and then it would be a WXY correction as indicated here in red. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Then we now need 1, 2, 3 up, and then again 1, 2, 3 down. That would be another possibility. So very corrective behavior in the FTSE. Kind of in the Nikkei, I'm sorry, kind of difficult to say where we are exactly going. But if we zoom out, I would expect that we definitely take out this low here. The question is just how exactly will we do it? Which path will we follow? Is our wave X in right here? Then we will take it out quite fast. But there might be a possibility that we first see upside before we go down again. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.